Intro. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into a critical topic for anyone working with AI: how to build a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of deploying machine learning models into production, you're in the right place. We'll break down the entire process into 10 manageable steps, guiding you from development all the way to production. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Step 1. Understand your requirements. Before you jump into coding or setting up any tools, the first step is to thoroughly understand your project requirements. What problem are you trying to solve? Who are your end users? What are the performance metrics that matter most? It's essential to define these parameters early on, as they will shape the entire deployment pipeline. This step is often overlooked, but having a clear understanding of your business goals will help you make informed decisions throughout the development and deployment phases. Engage with stakeholders, from data scientists to end users, to gather insights about their needs. This collaborative approach ensures that your AI model aligns with real-world expectations and requirements. Remember, the goal is to deliver value, and knowing your requirements is key to achieving that. Step 2. Set up a version control system. Now that you have a clear understanding of your requirements, it's time to set up a version control system. Version control systems, like Git, are essential for tracking changes in your codebase, collaborating with team members, and managing different project versions. They provide a systematic way to handle updates, rollbacks, and branching. In this stage, create a dedicated repository for your AI project. Organize your files and directories to keep your code clean and maintainable. Make sure to include a README file that outlines the project's purpose and setup instructions. This will help anyone who joins the project in the future to get up to speed quickly. The version control system will serve as the backbone of your CI/CD pipeline, so invest the time to set it up properly. Step 3. Develop your AI model. With your version control system in place, it's time to develop your AI model. This is where the magic happens. Select the appropriate algorithms and frameworks that align with your project requirements. Whether you're working with TensorFlow, PyTorch, or another framework, ensure that you document your code and maintain a consistent coding style. As you develop your model, consider implementing automated testing. Unit tests help ensure that individual components of your model function as expected. End-to-end tests can verify the entire workflow from data input to model output. Remember, a well-tested model is more likely to perform reliably in production. Step 4. Prepare your data pipeline. Next up is preparing your data pipeline. A robust data pipeline is crucial for feeding your AI model with the right data at the right time. This includes data collection, pre-processing, and transformation. Identify the sources of your data and set up an automated process to gather and clean it. Data quality is paramount, as it directly impacts the performance of your AI model. Leverage tools like Apache Airflow or Luigi to orchestrate your data workflow. Automating these processes ensures that your model gets updated data regularly, keeping it relevant and accurate. Step 5. Containerize your application. Now that you have your model developed and data pipeline set up, it's time to think about deployment. Containerization is a popular approach that allows you to package your application and its dependencies into a single container. This ensures that your model runs consistently across different environments, whether it be development, testing, or production. Docker is the go-to tool for containerization. Create a Docker file that specifies how your application should be built and executed. Make sure to include all necessary libraries and dependencies. Once your container is set up, you can easily deploy it on various platforms, from cloud services to local servers. Containerization is a key step in making your deployment process scalable and efficient. Step 6. Implement continuous integration, CI. Now that your application is containerized, let's talk about continuous integration. CI is a development practice where you frequently integrate code changes into a shared repository. Each integration is automatically built and tested, allowing for early detection of errors. Set up a CI tool like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or CircleCI to automate the build and test process. Whenever a developer pushes code to the repository, the CI tool will trigger the build and run the tests. If anything fails, the team is notified immediately. This reduces integration issues and allows you to catch bugs early in the development cycle. Remember, the goal here is to make sure your code is always in a deployable state. Step 7. Execute Continuous Deployment, CD. Once you have CI in place, you can move on to continuous deployment. CD is an extension of CI that automates the release of your application to production. With CD, you can ensure that your AI model is always up to date with the latest changes. Configure your CI/CD tool to automatically deploy your Docker container to a staging environment after a successful build. From there, you can conduct further testing in a production-like environment. If everything checks out, you can push the changes to production. The automation of this process significantly reduces the time between development and deployment, allowing you to respond to user feedback and make improvements swiftly. Step 8. Monitor your AI model performance. After deploying your AI model to production, the next crucial step is monitoring its performance. It's essential to track how well your model is performing in real-world scenarios. Set up monitoring tools to capture key metrics like latency, accuracy, and resource usage. Consider using tools like Prometheus and Grafana for real-time monitoring. These tools can help visualize your model's performance and alert you if something goes wrong. Moreover, establish a feedback loop to collect data from users and monitor how the model is impacting their experience. Continuous monitoring allows you to make informed decisions about updates and improvements to your model. Step 9. Implement a feedback loop. The feedback loop is an often underestimated part of the deployment process, but it's vital for continuous improvement. Once your model is live, gather feedback from users and stakeholders. This feedback can reveal insights into how well the model meets user needs and where it might be falling short. Use this information to refine your model, whether that means retraining it with new data, adjusting its parameters, or even developing new features to enhance user experience. The feedback loop closes the gap between development and deployment, allowing you to iterate on your work continually. Remember, the deployment of an AI model is not a one-and-done process, it requires ongoing maintenance and updates. Step 10. Scale your pipeline. Finally, it's time to think about scaling your deployment pipeline. As your project grows, you may need to support more models, handle increased data volume, and manage more complex workflows. Start by analyzing your current architecture and identifying bottlenecks. Consider using orchestration tools like Kubernetes to manage your containers at scale. This allows for automated deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Additionally, leverage cloud services if you haven't already. They can provide the flexibility and resources needed to scale your application seamlessly. Scaling your pipeline ensures that as your user base grows, your infrastructure can adapt to meet demand without compromising performance. This step is crucial for long-term success and sustainability in deploying AI models. Conclusion. And there you have it. We've walked through 10 essential steps for building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline with CI/CD, from understanding your requirements to successfully scaling your pipeline. Remember, the key to effective deployment lies in planning, automation, and continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you recently deployed an AI model? What challenges did you face? Let's get the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Happy coding!